To amend a tax return using TurboTax, start by gathering the necessary documents, including your original tax return, any supporting documents, and the reason for the amendment. Next, log into your TurboTax account and select the option to amend a return. If your return was rejected, you will need to address the reason for the rejection before amending. Select the tax year you want to amend and choose the option to amend a federal return. TurboTax will guide you through the process, asking questions to determine which forms need to be changed. Make the necessary changes to your return, and TurboTax will calculate any additional taxes owed or refund due. Once you have made all the necessary changes, review your amended return carefully to ensure accuracy. If you owe additional taxes, you can pay online through TurboTax or by mail. If you are due a refund, TurboTax will guide you through the process of claiming it. After completing the amendment process, print and mail the amended return to the IRS, along with any required supporting documents. You can also e-file your amended return if you are eligible. Keep in mind that amending a tax return can take several months to process. So be patient and check the status of your return regularly. It is also important to note that if you need to amend a state return, you will need to do so separately. TurboTax can help guide you through this process as well. By following these steps and using TurboTax to amend your tax return, you can ensure accuracy and completeness, and avoid any potential penalties or delays. Remember to always keep a copy of your amended return and supporting documents for your records.